Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A beautiful, well-designed door can create a welcoming entryway and make a lasting impression, while an old or damaged door can detract from the overall appearance of your home. In Gilbert, where warm, sunny days are the norm, choosing the right door replacement can not only enhance curb appeal but also improve energy efficiency and increase the value of your property. Here's how replacing your door can transform your home's exterior and elevate its curb appeal. Instant style upgrade. One of the most immediate benefits of a door replacement is the boost it brings to your home's style. With a new door, you have the freedom to choose a design, material, and color that perfectly complements your home's architectural style. From classic wooden doors that add warmth to sleek steel or fiberglass options that give a contemporary look, the right door can dramatically enhance your home's appearance. In a place like Gilbert, where the exterior of a home often reflects desert hues and southwestern styles, a new door can add a unique, personal touch. Enhanced color and character. A door is an excellent opportunity to play with color. Bold colors like deep red, navy blue, or even black can make a statement and create a striking focal point for your home. Alternatively, lighter, earth tone colors can blend seamlessly with Gilbert's natural landscape. Many homeowners use their door as a way to add personality and flair to their property, setting their home apart from others in the neighborhood. Whether you go for a bold color or a more subtle shade, a fresh door color can breathe life into your home's exterior. Improved energy efficiency. In Gilbert's warm climate, energy efficiency is essential. Older doors may allow drafts, letting in hot air during summer and cool air in winter, making your HVAC system work harder and increasing energy costs. New doors come with improved insulation, advanced materials, and weather-resistant features that help keep your home's temperature consistent. Many new doors feature energy-efficient materials and designs that reduce energy loss, which not only enhances comfort but can also help lower utility bills, a practical benefit that adds long-term value to your home. Increased natural light. Many modern doors come with glass inserts, side lights, or transom windows that can bring natural light into your entryway. These elements brighten the interior and create an inviting, open feel that adds to curb appeal. With options for privacy glass or decorative glass inserts, you can enjoy more sunlight without compromising on security or privacy. This additional natural light creates a warm, welcoming ambiance for both guests and potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Enhanced security features. Upgrading to a new door also means improved security. Modern doors are built with stronger materials and better locks, helping protect your home and family. Many newer doors come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, which deters break-ins. Enhanced security not only brings peace of mind but also increases the appeal of your property, especially for families who value safety as part of curb appeal. A lasting first impression. Your front door creates the first impression for anyone approaching your home. An old or worn door can give the appearance that the home isn't well maintained, even if the interior is immaculate. A new door signals that you care about your property and pay attention to details, making your home look welcoming and well kept. This is especially valuable if you're considering selling your home, as a potential buyer's first impression begins at the front door. Increased home value. Investing in a new door can also increase your home's resale value. Curb appeal plays a significant role in determining a home's market value, and a beautiful front door adds to that appeal. Research shows that exterior improvements, including door replacements, are among the home improvements with the highest return on investment. So, a new door doesn't just look great, it can also boost your home's worth if you decide to sell in the future. Reduced maintenance. Newer doors are often crafted from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or high-quality wood that require less maintenance than older doors. Modern doors resist warping, fading, and cracking, even under Gilbert's intense sun. Choosing a low-maintenance door means less time spent on repairs and touch-ups, which helps your door look new for years to come, maintaining that initial curb appeal with minimal effort. Replacing your door can transform your home's appearance, make it more energy efficient, and even increase its value. For Gilbert homeowners, investing in a new door offers both aesthetic and practical advantages that enhance the curb appeal of any property. If you're looking to make an impactful upgrade, consider choosing a door that suits your style, enhances security, and provides the energy efficiency you need. The right door replacement can make your home a standout in the neighborhood and create an inviting entrance you'll love coming home to every day.